viewing the facility floor across every beverage line in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you every vessel, tank, and barrel with what's inside it, the layout view, and how to jump straight to the batch in any vessel. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Production Facility from your dashboard. This gives you the whole floor at a glance. Every vessel, tank, and barrel across every beverage line you run, whether that's beer, wine, cider, or spirits. Each vessel shows what's currently in it, the stage it's at, and how long it's been there. This is the screen to use when you're deciding what goes into an empty tank next, since you see the full picture instead of checking each line separately. Watch for the blocked and needs attention flags. A vessel with no completed CIP evidence stands out before you transfer into it. If your facility groups vessels by area, cellar, barrel room, bright tank room, switch to layout view to see them positioned the way they actually sit on your floor. Drag a vessel card to a new position, and I'll save the layout automatically. Click any vessel, and I'll take you straight to the batch inside it. You end with the floor laid out the way your facility actually sits, and the open, ready for the next run vessels standing out clearly.